Alright, once again this is Rob with Open Source Classroom, and we're going to go ahead and download and install the Arduino IDE. So we're going to start by clicking on your web browser, and we'll go out to the Arduino website, which is arduino.cc. And when you get to the home page, click on software, and we're going to scroll down to download the Arduino IDE. I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll select Windows Installer. And if you want, you can contribute to Arduino, or you can just download. Okay, now that the Arduino is downloaded, show in folder, and double click. I agree. Next. Install. Alrighty then. Click close, and let's go ahead and close the rest of this other stuff. And now we've got Arduino on our desktop. Let's open it up just to make sure. Alright, and there you have it. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Click subscribe for more videos from Open Source Classroom.